Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find hidden phone number on Facebook. So let's get started right away. Okay, let's open up the Facebook app, and if you just want to see someone's phone number, that largely depends on their privacy settings and whether or not you're friends with them. So it is kind of a straightforward situation on how to find their hidden phone number, but I'll show you a handful of examples where it can be difficult to find their number. For example, let's pick this user up at the top here. I can search around this user's profile, and obviously, I'm not friends with this guy, so when I go to their about info, I probably won't be able to just see their contact information here. Therefore, if you're not friends with someone on Facebook, chances are they've set their privacy settings to hide their contact information, meaning you won't be able to see their phone number. That being said, if I go back and click the Messenger icon, it will open up the Messenger app, from which you can contact them. Simply, you can send them a message and then just politely ask them for their mobile number. Another thing is that when we go back to Facebook and then onto Friends, and then to your Friends tab over here, and select a random friend and go to their about info, it may not even be possible to just see their contact information. This is because if they set their phone number to only me, then nobody else can see it. Only they can see their mobile number. That's simply not shared with anybody else. However, if you're friends with someone, they should have their contact information under basic info, such as their email or phone number, so you can get their hidden phone number that way. However, if they've set it to only me for their phone number, there is just no way to completely have their phone number unless you send them a message on Messenger and request their contact information. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.